In this course, we will apply the flocking algorithms explored in the previous course to a design project. We will create a simplified version of what is commonly known as an agent body algorithm to create an intricate lattice structure over the top of geometric forms. The agent body algorithm will use our flocking behaviours to generate patterns on our form. You can access all lessons and files associated with this course by signing up as a member at thedifferentdesign.com. We'll first start by looking at isosurfacing. Isosurfing is an algorithmic concept that creates mesh surfaces from field data and is commonly used to generate gyroid patterns. We can create a complex isosurfacing grasshopper using the Chromodoris plugin. Once we have our isosurface, we can begin to explore the beginnings of what is known as an agent body algorithm in Grasshopper. Agent bodies could be thought of as pieces of geometry that are embedded with self-organizing behavioral logics, such as flocking behaviors, separation, cohesion, and alignment, that can be used for problem solving. We can add to our agent body algorithm with the application of a simple alignment force field to an agent body algorithm in Grasshopper to create a uniform orientation throughout the collection of lattice objects on our isosurface base mesh. Next, we can apply behaviours from the flocking algorithms to create the basis for our agent body algorithm and create an interconnected lattice structure on top of the isosurface base form. Once we have our pseudo-agent body system set up, we can implement extra force field behaviours in combination with the flocking behaviours to create variation and patterns in an intricate agent body structural lattice system inside of Grasshopper. This course is part of our Grasshopper course series on thedifferentdesign.com. You can access all lessons and files associated with this course by signing up as a member at thedifferentdesign.com today.